Every license of Creo Parametric comes with the Lite version of Manikin for placing human models inside of your assemblies. To use Manikin, you click on the Manikin tab, and with the Lite version, when you go to insert a mannequin, you only have this one generic male model. It doesn't tell you the country or the percentile that the body fits in. If you get the full up license of Manikin, you get 7 different countries. I think it includes US, France, Italy, Spain or Brazil, Japan, Netherlands, these different countries for which data is available. And you get a bunch of different percentiles like 5, 50, and 95, and male and female bodies. And I think you also even get some children. But anyhow, we will use our regular generic model. And here in the dialog box, there's an option that's checked for using a placeholder, which allows you to give a name to the assembly as it's going to be placed in here. For the posture, you can choose whether it's standing or sitting. And then we're going to select what the reference is for where he's going to be placed. I have pre-selection highlighting turned off just to reduce the screen flash. So now that he is standing on that surface, let's choose for him to face this surface, and then we can flip it just so that he is towards us. Then when we click OK, you'll notice that we get the Manikin 0001 in the model tree. And let me zoom in a little bit on him so you can see his nifty little sort of like blockbuster video outfit that he's wearing. And you have an axis showing the direction that he is looking at. And now that we have him in here, if we want to change the way that he is positioned, we can select him and then choose the edit placement. And instead of standing, let's change him to sitting. And for the sitting reference, let's pick this surface. And it positions him over there. That's good. We will click the OK button. And when he is placed on here, then we can apply some different postures to how exactly he's sitting on there. So, for example, if I select him and then go to Apply Posture, you get all these little icons that show you how you can place him on here. So you have these what are called macro postures and micro postures. For example, let's find one where he is sitting with one leg crossed over the other. Where are you? Oh, here we go. Here's one. So there you can see the legs adjust so that one is over on the other. Uh-oh, looks like I have him sitting so that his hand is going through the seat. That's no good. Let's then choose to manipulate the mannequin. And here in this dialog box, you can drag different parts of the body. So let's do a 2D body drag, and then I will click on the arm over here. And that way we can adjust it. Or click on the hand and then grab it and move it around. Right now I'm getting some sort of weird positions. And then if you click on the reach tab, there's a lot to configure in here if you want to have the mannequin reaching for a certain area, or if you choose look at, this is a little easier where you can say, hey, let's have him pointed looking over on the side there. And so that way we have changed the way that he is positioned on there. When you have the mannequin placed, you can also display what's called the vision window, where you can see what is this mannequin actually looking at, and you can see the target of his vision. There's some other functions in here like vision cones, but this requires the full license of Manikin. Same with the reach envelope, which would show sort of like bubbles around where he's actually capable of grabbing in the model. There's a bunch of other different commands for ergonomic analyses and task analyses, but again, these require the full license of Manikin. But if you have the Lite version, it's just a fun thing to play around with every once in a while, just to show you some other fun stuff. Let's again use that mannequin, and I'm going to have him standing over here and facing this surface. Let's flip him and then click OK. And we can then apply some of the fun different postures. So for example, We have a nice little kung fu stance where he is ready to engage in combat. Or maybe we can use one where he's maybe had a little too much to drink and he's having trouble walking through the little factory floor over there. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information, please visit www.creowindchill.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button to be informed when new videos are uploaded. Thank you very much.